In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix broken links in Shopify. Broken links can be frustrating for your customers and can even hurt your store's credibility and search rankings. The good news is that Shopify gives you a simple way to catch those dead links and send visitors to the right place using URL redirects. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through creating a redirect for any broken link on your store. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your orders, products, and store overview. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. Next, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Content. In newer versions of Shopify, the content section is where a lot of your store's structure and supporting information lives. So it's the place you'll go when you want to manage things like menus and redirects. Once you're inside the content area, find and click on Menus. This section is usually used for your main navigation, footer links, and any other menus in your store. But it's also where Shopify groups related tools that control how people move around your site. From here, look for the option labeled URL redirects and click on it. This is the dedicated area where Shopify stores all of your existing redirects and where you'll add new ones. If you've never used redirects before, this page might be empty, and that's completely fine. Now, click on the button that says Create URL Redirect. This opens a form where you'll tell Shopify which broken link you want to fix and where you want visitors to go instead. In the field titled Redirect From, type the broken URL exactly as visitors would see it in their browser after your domain. For example, if the broken link is yourstore.com old product, you would enter old product. Be precise here, because even a small typo means the redirect won't trigger. Next, in the field labeled redirect to, type the URL path where you actually want people to land. This could be a new product page, a collection, your homepage, or even a blog post. Again, just use the path portion, such as slash collections, like new arrivals, or our pages contact. When you're happy with both fields, click on Save Redirect. Shopify will now automatically send anyone who visits the old broken link to the new destination you